Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain what the Incas ate. The Inca diet was remarkably diverse, centered around staple crops like potatoes and maize. They cultivated hundreds of potato varieties, adapting them to different altitudes. Maize was not only a food, but also a ceremonial crop, often ground into flour or fermented into a drink called chicha. Quinoa, a highly nutritious grain, also formed a crucial part of their daily meals, providing vital protein. Beyond plant-based foods, the Incas incorporated various protein sources into their diet. Guinea pigs were a domesticated animal, widely raised for their meat, offering a consistent protein supply. Llamas and alpacas, while primarily used for transport and wool, also provided meat, particularly during festivals or for the elite. For those living along the extensive coastline or near rivers, fish was a significant part of their daily meals. The Inca diet was further enriched by a wide array of fruits, vegetables, and other flavorful additions. They cultivated vegetables like squash, beans, and chili peppers, adding variety and nutrients to their meals. Fruits such as avocados, tomatoes, and numerous local berries provided essential vitamins. Herbs and spices were not only used to enhance the taste of their food, but also played a role in traditional medicine. The Incas developed ingenious methods for food preparation and preservation. For instance, they freeze-dried potatoes to create chuño, a lightweight and long-lasting food source crucial for storage and travel. Chicha, a fermented corn beer, was a staple beverage, enjoyed by all social classes. It was often consumed during meals and social gatherings. Remember to check the description for a link to these fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.